Two cubs, waiting in the cold. Their mother has not come back. This is their story. Both males and females leave their unique scents to find each other. The pungent urine might make humans' noses tingle, but in these mountains, it is their most powerful signature. Their only way of saying, "I am here." After weeks of waiting, the spreading scent finally reached a female snow leopard. The hormonal smell hit him instantly. He knew she was near. But finding each other across these vast, empty mountains, that is never simple. So they switched from scent to sound. Her call instantly spread through the valley. For him, it was irresistible. He began responding with his own calls. Soon, both snow leopards tracked each other down. Welcome to Wild Surge Life, where every creature has a story, and we tell it with honesty and passion. But coming together was not easy. Snow leopards are solitary animals. Their inner conflict makes them very agitated. Their natural fear and mating instincts fight against each other. After many attempts, they finally gained each other's trust. And then, just like that, she was gone. Back to her own life, her own territory. The male snow leopard guarded his territory, waiting. Sometimes he even brought food for his temporary partner. If fertilization was successful, she would give birth to her cubs a few months later. As days went by, the female snow leopard was no longer alone. She finally welcomed her two cubs. Two fluffy little ones snuggled in their mother's arms, enjoying the most tender moments of their lives. At this age, the cubs could not see anything. Every action depended completely on their mother. But nursing them every single day was draining her. Her weight dropped drastically. Her strength faded with each passing day. She had to hunt. For them. Not far away, a yak carcass attracted her attention. A rare gift in these harsh mountains. A much-needed source of nutrition. She fed. And for a moment, survival felt possible. As days passed, the cubs had grown much larger. Now they could follow their mother to find food. She taught them to read the sky. Circling vultures are their best partners for finding food. The mother knew that wherever the vultures gathered, food was there. A dead ibex attracted her arrival. The hungry snow leopard mother began devouring the fresh prey. Then, a scream from the cliff edge. Her cub, she spun around and froze. Not far away, a family of 4 snow leopards with 3 cubs had appeared on her territory. The scent of the prey had already reached them. 4 adult snow leopards across from her were a deadly threat. Facing such a difficult situation, the mother had to retreat to ensure her own safety. But if she retreated now, her 2 cubs would have no food. Watching the prey being taken away by rivals, she tried to take back what was hers. But 3 adult snow leopards approached her. This greatly reduced her chances of getting the food back. She had to leave again. Now, protecting her cubs was her #1 priority. The well-fed family of 4 began taking over the territory. To ensure her cubs' safety, she had to leave this dangerous place. Soon, the temperature dropped sharply. A fierce blizzard struck without mercy. This greatly reduced her chances of hunting. But her cubs were crying from hunger. Then, a passing herd of antelope caught her attention. If she could catch just one, she could feed her cubs. At the moment the antelope hesitated, she launched her attack. The startled herd began to flee in panic. She was close. So close. Then her paw hit something hidden beneath the snow. A sharp rock. She went down. This severely injured her paw. She had to stop her chase. Every step from that moment was agony. If she could not catch any food, neither she nor her cubs would survive the long winter. As temperatures gradually rose, the ice and snow began to melt. Although antelope were now everywhere in the mountains, her severely injured paw made it impossible to chase such agile prey. Now, the only hope left was the herder's livestock. These adult yaks were 5 times larger than the snow leopard. Their horns were the most dangerous weapons. But her two hungry waiting cubs did not give their mother any time to rest. To feed her cubs, she had to take the risk. She lunged at the calf. The mother yak charged instantly and drove her horns straight into her body. She held on. Despite repeated attacks, the snow leopard did not let go. She knew this was her only chance to feed her cubs. But the mother yak's will to protect her baby was just as strong. The yak began striking the snow leopard's body with its horns. Again and again. Multiple strikes, plus her severe injuries, forced her to give up. This hunt allowed the mother yak to protect her calf, but it caused severe damage to the snow leopard mother. Now she was in too much pain to even stand. Days went by. The mother snow leopard left the mountains she had protected her entire life. In the cold wind, two cubs still waited. They waited for paw steps that would never return. No one knows if they survived. But we know this: she never stopped trying. Every scar, every broken bone, every hunt she had no business attempting, all for them. If her story stayed with you, this channel was made for you. Subscribe to Wild Surge Life. Every week, we bring you the raw, real world of nature, where survival is never guaranteed. Stay curious and stay wild.